clones. Where should scientists draw the line? Well, a group of scientists now want to extend the number of days that they can experiment with human embryos to 14, and it's fallen to our panel of expert judges to decide should be allowed. First though, meet Julia. She's 15 and she has a very rare disease called Sullivan's disease. This research could give Julia a chance of a normal life, and she has 1 minute to convince the judges to say yes. But for now, let's meet our judges. First up, we've got Lindsay of the National Institute. Already we have been able to improve life with the use of stem cell research using adult cells. If this research is passed, who knows what medical advancements we could make? Also, we have Cardinal Massimo Iannelli of the International Republican Church. Cardinal, would you care to state your views?
I would be outraged if this motion was passed. The destruction of an unborn child, it should never be condoned.
Excellent argument. So, the decider falls to Jamie Good, a British doctor. How do you feel about this, Jamie?
Well, I'm on the fence on this one. I can see the medical potential, but there also are the moral implications to consider.
Well, let's see if Julia's story can help you make up your mind. Julia, your time begins now. If this research is allowed, you have no idea how much it would mean to me. I used to be so strong. I wanted to be a dancer. I was brilliant at it when I was younger. But then I was diagnosed with Sullivan's, and since then, my whole life has fallen apart. I had to give up on dancing. You can't imagine it, watching yourself waste away. Eventually I was too sick to go to school. My mum had to quit her job to look after me. We had to sell the house. We can barely even pay for any medical treatment since the NHS got done away with. I can't dance. I just sit in the house all day, waiting, and eventually I'll just die. This isn't just taking away my life, it's taking away any chance of achieving my dreams. Pass this research and then... Sorry Julia, time is up. Doctor, it's time to make your decision. Well, how can you not be deciding now? Look at the poor girl, doesn't she deserve a chance at life?
Okay, I've decided. Yes.
At first it seemed as nothing would happen, but after a month of weekly injections I was able to walk down the stairs. I went back to school and Mum even got a new job. I successfully applied for dance school. I could achieve my dream of becoming a dancer on stage. And it wasn't just me. As years have gone on, scientists have made hundreds of new advancements. They found ways of stopping Alzheimer's and even cancer.
It gave me back my life, but this is only one side of the story.
But no man has the right to play God.
Okay, I've decided. No.
I've got the worst possible news. The drug hasn't worked. I'm sorry.
The doctors weren't able to properly develop the drugs because they weren't allowed to use any embryo cells to test on. I never got to dance. Eventually I never got to do anything. Maybe it got passed eventually. I'll never know.
Maybe one day we might... Julia? Julia? Julia?
Maybe it did get passed, but it's too late for me.